Before Governor State, I worked in social work. So I worked with the intellectually disabled community and special needs at a middle school/high school. I returned to college because I enjoyed the work I was doing. I was helping people, but in the end, I wanted to be able to save money and grow. I chose computer science because it offers advancement in the workplace, and it's a growing field with a lot of opportunities. I was not involved my first go-around, so I became so involved in school this time. It kept me on campus, it gave me reasons to be here other than class, and kept me engaged in school. I ran for Vice President of Student Senate so that I could help make an impact for students that their voices might not be heard. I'm in Black Student Union, I'm around the athletics teams. I'm the Vice President of the Governor State Drone Engineering Club, and we fly drones out in the field, we build drones, and we do a little bit of coding for the drones as well. I had an internship working on NASA-funded projects, and we worked with Python code to create solutions to the different problems that we were each given. It's hard to explain without getting really, really deep into it. Returning to college was the best decision that I could make. Governor State has a lot of resources that people can utilize. You have to do the work to find them, but I am so involved that I do see all these resources, and I do try to help guide people to find these resources.